In this video, I am going to show you how to add your own script in Tradingview. So first, open up your tradingview.com and go to supercharts. Once you are here, go down to the Pine editor, click here and paste your script here in this section. I have a demo script, let's say this one, and then click on the save, or you can press Ctrl+S to save the script. You can give name to your script, and after that click on add to chart, or click Ctrl Enter. This will add your script to your chart. So this is how you can add your script on tradingview.com.